Peace and blessings be with you. It's your servant Akilanis. I'm out here in my land in Zanzibar, Paje Zanzibar, and preparing my, what am I preparing? The foundation, the outline for the foundation, so the fundi could come in and get a quick estimate of what it's going to cost to do the build. Okay, so this is how they partition off the area to put the foundation. Hope it's bright out here, so I hope you can see the strings. So this is the strings here. So here, this area, here to the string, this will be a storage here. From here, stringy to string this way will be the shower. Here, from string to string this way, this will be the toilet. And in this area here will be the sink. So this will be the bathroom. Again, this is the closet. Here I'm stepping over this wire rope. This is the porch. And then coming to this string here, this is the front door. Oh, no, this is not the front door. Yeah, this is the closet. The front door is here. Sorry, front door is here. So you come in the front door, and then you have this area here will be the studio. So here to the strings here, to the strings. So this will be to the string here. This will be the living area here. And there'll be a kitchenette here, inshallah. And then coming in here, this is where you enter the bathroom here. Maybe I have this. Yeah, you enter the bathroom here. And then here will be the sink. And then you go over here into the corner there. Here will be the toilet. And you come over here. Here will be the shower. I have never seen this before. They're using this tool with water in it to find level. So I don't know how they're doing this, so I'm trying to pay attention. Okay, now I'm understanding. So you can see here, water level is there. And then coming on this side, it will automatically show level here. I've never seen this before. So good. I'm learning. So then they mark the spot on the post so they know where level is. Wow. They start making the foundation wall on top of this. The bricks will go on top of this. So they have from the yellow line to the red line. The red line will be the outside of the wall. And they have where the yellow line is, so they'll keep the wall there. The wall will end there. Then inside they will fill. Okay, so the fundis are working. They all in the different spots. This one here. Yeah. The corner. There. Hey, foundation might be done today. Okay, so we are still working. This area here will be the porch. And the house starts from here. This is a storage. This is a shower. This is the toilet. This is the end of the wall. Up there will be the sink. And then the next side is the living area. They're bringing in stone to fill the foundation. Okay, so
Okay.
Asante, asante.
You see, we get the ropes, we get everything. We get the stone, we get everything in it. That's why I think it's better to order it.
To order this, what's the other option? What's the other option?
The option was to buy stone.
Isn't this stone?
Eh?
Isn't this stone?
No, it is not a stone.
What is it?
We don't call it stone. We call fuzz.
Fuzz.
Okay. It's special to fill.
Okay. Okay, so the foundation is finished. One step at a time. Foundation is finished. They finished this whole wall, foundation wall today. They put in the cement here to strengthen the rebar or the nando or the chuma. Pick which one you want to call it. And then they're going to fill in here with the rocks here. We're coming along. And so they're filling the foundation. That's right here.